This baked banana oatmeal is not only delicious, it's great if you have to feed a crowd, plus you can make it ahead of time and then just have a square to grab and go throughout the week. Start by greasing a 9x13 baking pan. Go ahead and combine all your dry ingredients together. So some oats, some salt, some baking powder, some flour, some cinnamon, stir it all together. Smash some ripe bananas or overripe bananas and whisk that together with some eggs and brown sugar. Pour in some milk and melted butter and whisk it all together. Add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and then fold in some walnuts and some chia seeds if you like. Put this mixture into your greased baking pan and bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it's cooled, cut it into squares to enjoy it now or later. Wrap it up, keep it airtight in your fridge for up to 5 days. You can even freeze these. A few berries, some maple syrup, maybe a little yogurt. Dress it up how you like it, or just grab it and go.